The new Level 4 HNC Engineering Programme that we're delivering at the Plymouth Engineering Skills Centre was devised because employers demonstrated that there was a real need for this higher level. Working with the employers, we were able to devise two pathways, a 4-year programme for a HNC apprenticeship in engineering and a 2-year fast track if they'd already done the level 3. This was literally born of employer-led development, which is so important in education, especially in the post-16, to have that really embedded. The local skills improvement plan just reinforced that decision.
The level 4 at college, the HNC that I'm doing currently, really helps getting me a qualification, which is not only getting paid for me, but like a lot of other people don't have into engineering. A lot of it's just hands-on. More opportunities that's going to give me at Plessy to rise through the ranks and become a better maintenance engineer.
The level 4 HNC that I've just started is based in engineering. So it's something that I've always been interested in, and I started my apprenticeship when I was 16. So I've been in the industry for 15 years now, and just a good opportunity to learn more about engineering.
All the apprentices have a personal development programme that includes a range of different elements, including equality, diversity and inclusion. And we encourage them to see what the community is, to learn more about each other, about the diverse nature of the communities they serve. Everybody has a starting point. We try to provide support, try to provide an opportunity for those people to come in and gain new skills.
It's been great for us as an educational establishment to be able to have sight of where those skills gaps are, and allows us to really plan and work with employers to develop those programs to ensure that we do have that workforce and that we are actually completing the local skills improvement plans.